Hello everyone there at Home2Renovate. My name is Charles Marine. I'm with Warley Digital. We are a marketing agency that helps small businesses build their own assets and attract clients, saving them money on advertising. And I was doing some research in your area and I came across your website. And I wanted to share 3 things that you can do right now to attract more clients and have you ranking higher on Google. Everybody knows these days about 90% of adults search for local services on Google. 70% of those stay on the first page. So it's really important to be there because if you're not there, you're missing out on a lot of traffic. And more traffic means more potential clients coming to your website, and therefore more actual clients closing with you. And another reason I do this is because I realize small businesses are very busy. Business owners very busy and therefore do not have the time to actually implement these kind of things and may not have the knowledge. And also it's a confusing world out there in terms of SEO. You don't know who to go with. So I'd like to prove myself. The 3 things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. And those all have to do with helping you rank higher and higher up on Google. So first thing I want to talk about is content. Content is everything that's on your front page. All the text, all the images, everything that you can see that I've highlighted here in blue, that's all content. Google optimizes. To optimize with Google, it's important to have between 1,000 to 1,500 words of text, good authoritative text. And by that I mean text that says who you are, what you do, and also has keywords. Keywords are words that people search for when they're looking for your services. For example, home renovation, Los Angeles. So if your text is authoritative and is saturated with these keywords, Google sees your website and ranks you higher because it recognizes that you're an authority. Now, when I talk about keywords, let's say I was someone in Los Angeles looking for home renovation. Typically, this is what someone would type, and you get your results here. Now, this first part of your results, of the search results, is called a map pack. The map pack includes the map and 3 businesses here. We're going to talk about how to rank higher in this map pack in a few minutes. Below the map pack are the organic listings here. We're also going to talk about that in a few minutes, but I just wanted to show you the importance of keywords. Now, I have a tool called Ahrefs, which analyzes websites, and it's a popular tool that's out there. I took the liberty of putting your website in here, and because I wanted to look at the keywords that you rank for. Now, in that search I did for home renovation, Los Angeles, I noticed that you're ranking for it. The volume of people searching for it per month is 150. The traffic that's coming to your website because of that search is 0 because you're ranking 90th. Your position is 90, which is kind of like the 10th page of Google. Now, if I was to do a bit of research on this keyword, I can tell its traffic share, and I can see your competitor, Southland Remodeling, gets about 17 people going to their website for that, just for that one keyword. And let's look at the website. It's a good website. I'm sure they have between 1,000 and 1,500 words of text. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that your competitor is ranking higher, and that not only does it have to do with content, but it has to do with citations and backlinks, which I'm going to get to. Alright, so coming back to content. Content also includes what your pictures are saved as. You see this one picture is saved as home. If you could save it with a keyword like home renovation Los Angeles, Google would when it scours your website, it would pick up on these kind of keywords. Okay, now let's talk about citations. Now, citations have to do with this area here, the map pack that I talked about. So how do you rank first in this map pack? Well, it depends on the number of citations you have. Citations are anywhere on the internet, in any online directory, that your name, address, and phone number are cited. So for example, directories like Yelp, Yext, Dexnose, yellowpages.com, whitepages.com, etc. The more authoritative directories you're ranked in, the higher you'll rank in this map pack. So it's important that you put yourself in very many directories. There are tools out there that can analyze your competitors and have them see where they're cited, where the citations are coming from, so it's possible to match them. But it's important in business not only to match them, but to dominate them. Probably double the number of citations they have so that you remain on the top of this map pack and more people come to your website. Third thing I want to talk about is backlinks, which has to do with this area down here. Now, backlinks are whenever a different page on the internet links to your page, directs traffic to you. So, for example, if there's a forum on contractors in Southern California, and they write up a blog which praises you and directs traffic to you, has a link to your website there, that's a good backlink. Not all backlinks are the same though, because if you think of a Pizza Hut on the East Coast, if they have a blog up and are linking to you, Google sees that and it knows those are two different niches, different locations. It would consider that spammy. So it's important to have good backlinks. Let's go back to the tool, Ahrefs, because I wanted to look at your website again. And just looking at it, you have about 37 backlinks from 29 domains, referring domains. If I click on the backlinks, I can analyze and see whichever backlinks you have. I also want to take your competitor, Southland Remodeling. Let me get their website. Here we go. Let me copy this, put it into the tool. And there we can see they have about 143 backlinks from 61 domains. That makes sense. That's why they're ranking higher than you. I'm going to talk about the keywords in a while. So what I'll do is that I'll come here and analyze the backlinks and make sure that you have the same and even better and many more backlinks so that you can be able to rank higher than them. One last thing about keywords. Keywords here, you can see all the keywords they're ranking for. For example, home remodeling Los Angeles, about 500 people search for that per month. They get a traffic of 64 people coming to their website because they're ranking third. So that is a lot of traffic they're getting just because of this one keyword. Now, if you saturate your website with similar keywords and then build your backlink profile, improve your citations and your content, you'd be able to rank higher and grab a lot more of this traffic. Not only that, we could go down and analyze other keywords that they're ranking for and see how much traffic they're getting. For example, kitchen remodeling Los Angeles, 1,000 people search for that every month. They get 10 people because they're on the 14th position, which is about the third or fourth page on Google. Now, if you were to rank for this, rank higher, in fact, we can analyze just that one and see who Reborn Cabinets, MDM custom remodeling, they get a lot of traffic for that one keyword. So the thing is to be able to rank for all the keywords that are higher in ranking, to be able to analyze the keywords that your competitors rank for and make you rank better for them. So those are the three things I wanted to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. You can pass this on to your website person or your SEO person. No harm, no foul if you do not want to go with me, but if you want to save time, if you enjoy what you've seen, if you think I have a few more tricks up my sleeve, which I do, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. My name is Charles again. Here's my phone number and email address. And thank you. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. All the best.